Okay, so we're looking at our little animal keychains right now, and we're going to make this DIY animal keychain. Right now this is the little cow that we offer. So it comes with some thread and this little kind of key ring attachment hook thing. And you'll need a needle and also some scissors for this project. First thing we're going to do is thread our needle. This is a little waxed thread it comes with. It's lightly waxed. You're just going to thread it through the needle, and then your next step is to put in this little key ring that we have. It's got a screw post on the back, which goes on the flesh side or the underside, and then you're going to screw it into the top. That takes a little bit, and then once you're done, you're going to want to line it up with the front of your animal so it's, facing open forward. With this, it's going to be a sewing project, so we're going to sew through this first little hole right here, and as we sew along, we're going to fold individual parts of this project into the center and stitch through it to kind of pull it all together. So that's the little face part, and then these are the legs on the side, and we're going to go through all those layers, through all the holes, and then pull our thread all the way through, and that will make the front part of this little animal. As you're pulling through, kind of go slow so you don't pull your thread out, and then you're going to start on the back side through that little hole, and then kind of fold it in and out so that you can get all of your parts to fold properly as you sew the last part of this. You're going to pull that through. Give it a little tug, kind of tighten it up, and then we're going to go through that first hole again. So I've actually lost the thread, and I'm going to have to put my needle back on. And then we'll go through that first hole that we went in to begin, and all the way back through those first little, that front part of the animal, so that we can tie it off at the end. So pull that through. And then give it a tight tug, and go ahead and remove your needle from your thread, and go ahead and tie a square knot, right over left and then left over right. Then actually you're going to do one more little knot on the last of it, just the right over left here at the very end, pulling tight in between each one to finish it off. Then I just take my scissors and I trim off the excess thread, leave it a little bit long so it, doesn't come loose. And that's it. You got your little animal keychain made by Lazy 3 Leather, all finished. It comes in several different styles. This is the cow. We also have other ones listed on our website, so take a look. Thanks.